Moving on with our second part here on fairbinaryoptions.com. It is the second part in our Binary Options Academy project, and we're looking at the market geometry project in the sense that everything what's on the left side of the chart represents free information and represents possible places for identifying support and resistance areas, and we need to use those informations, or we need to use that information in order to project it and to find nice places to have our striking price for trading binary options regardless of direction. So what to do when price comes here? Well, normally this is a nice place to go and buy call options. Alright, let's assume that the price, for whatever the reason, price is going to bounce from this area and goes on the right side on and on like this. What to do now when price is coming here? Well, I wouldn't buy put options anymore when it comes here because it has been already 3 times tested and rejected. But what I will look here now is for this area here. Take a look at this area. Now this area is the 137 level. For this area to be broken, so until price goes above 1.37, I would do nothing, because then after price goes here, so let's try to mark the intention. So I would like to see price going into the 137 and then of course to come into this area. Every dip then into this area, I would like to buy call options based on it, because this is resistance, and now the resistance should turn into support or into strong support. So I would like, of course, to go and buy call options. What would be the area where we should consider to buy put options? Well, the area for the put options, from my point of view, based on market geometry and based on what happened on the left side of the chart, would be this one here. Why? Take a look at price. So this is support broken, and every time price comes here now, it is resistance. So resistance. Well, that is what I would like to buy put options. Not here anymore, but here I would like to buy put options on a rejection to where? On a rejection to the previous, into the previous area, and that would be something like 3720 area, 3740 area, into this gray area anyways, for a bounce back or a spike or a dip towards 3680, stuff like that. But here I would only like to buy call options, and all eyes are going to be when this area is cleared on a move that the market's going to make above this area. Then every spike back into the all important 3750, 3740 should be bought. Now, as you can see, market geometry doesn't necessarily mean counting waves with Elliott waves theory, or looking at complex structures, or triangle, or looking at divergences, or looking at indicators or stuff like that. What market geometry is based on is based on interpretation of what happened on the left side of the chart and project those areas on the right side of the chart. Simple works best in life, and in trading is exactly the same. Simple strategies tend to work best. It is important to take into account the time frame that you are doing your market geometry project. As if it is a 1 hour chart, then you should look for expiration dates or smaller expiration dates than if you're looking at a 4 hour chart or a daily chart, or even bigger time frames. Even if one option would expire out of the money, don't be picky, because options offers you a nice rate of return. I'm talking about more than 70%, 75%, 80% sometimes. So market is binary options are offering a nice rate of return. So I wouldn't be picky into sticking with or scrapping a scenario if one option expires out of the money. It may only mean that the expiration date was not appropriate. Thank you for being here. With this, we are concluding our market geometry project here on fairbinaryoptions.com into the Binary Options Academy. Keep in mind that all these analyses and recommendations and projects, mini projects, educational series are possible due to the help of our sponsor here, Lionknife. So make sure you check lionknife.com, one of the best brokers to trade binary options with, and of course check our Binary Options Academy, as a lot of information, free information and technical analysis setups are being there. Thank you and bye bye.